Okay, welcome back, Jovid. So we are here in our B part of seventh week piano lesson. So we are now here at page 29. Now, correct fingering. A good pianist must also use the correct fingering. Correct fingering will make your playing much smoother. It will also help you to connect the melody and develop a good singing tone in piano playing. Observe the correct fingering in boatsman chant. In the sixth measure, the third finger of the right hand changes from E to F. This one. So this one is E to F. So from third finger, you will jump to F using your same finger, third then. So you have to watch. Finger position will make your playing easier. Okay, and we have some symbols. So if you're going to see this sign, rit or retardando, retard, it means to go slower. Usually we can see this in the end part of the music. Parang yung mga pop music, yung mga nasa dulo, yung bumabagal. We call that retardando. Pag fermata, we call this fermata. It looks like a mata, an eye, pero half fermata. If you're going to see that, it means you're going to hold the note than its actual value. Pwedeng i-double or basta habaan ninyo. Okay? So, yan. So, convert pa si B. Let's show the keys. I'll just move the notes so you can see it. So this is both man's chant. Yan. So let's read it first. Though this is our time signature is 3/4. So andante means slowly. So 3/4. So 1, 2, 3. G, D, C, E, D, E. Then you will go to F and you will still use your third finger. F, G, A. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, A, G, E, D, C. C, E, D, E. Third finger. F, G, A. Then slowly. Bumagal siya kasi merong retardando or rit. Okay, anyway, this is slowly. So you will play it slow lang. Okay, slowly, very slow. Okay, let's start with right hand. So G, where is letter G? Okay, let's use our. So this is our G. So, dito lang tayo. G. Yes. So we will put our fifth finger to G. Okay, let's put our fifth finger to G. So ayaw. Nag-freeze. Nag-freeze pa ang ating phone. Okay, so this is G. Okay. So G, G, E, G, 2, E. 1, 2, then E. 1, 2. D, C, E, D, E. 1, 2, then jump. F, G, A, 2, G, E, D, C. C, E, D, E, 2. F, G, A, G, E, G. So you go slower and hold the G. That's only 3 counts, but if there is a fermata, you can hold it longer. Okay, let's do it again. Slower from the beginning. G, G, E, G, E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Jump. F, G, A, 2, G, E, Okay, now for our left hand, so you will put your fifth finger. So this is your fifth. One, two, three, four, fifth. To lower C. So that's dotted half note that is equivalent to three counts. Okay, can you try C? One, two, three, and then E. Two, three, then G. Two, three, then F. Two, rest. Two, three, then G. Two, rest. One, two, three, then G. Two, rest, then E. Two, three, then G. Two, three, then F longer. Two, hold, then hold. Because there is a fermata. One more time. Can we do it again? So C, two, three, then E, two, three, then G, two, three, then F, two, rest, E, two, three, G, two, rest, F, two, three, then G, two, rest, E, two, three, G, two, rest, F, hold. Yes. Now, are you ready to play it both? Okay, so let's ready. Oops. We haven't tried the other. Wala. Okay. Okay, let's adjust so you can see it. Okay, then we're going to play from the start. So this is lower C. I'll put it here. Yan. C position. C, D, E, F, G, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. C, D, E, F, G, C major chord. Okay, let's see. Ready? One, two, three. Hold the left. G, G, E. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three, and one, two, three. One, two, three. Third line. One, two, three, and one, two, three. And hold. One more time. Can we do it again? From the start. G, G, E, one, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three, and one, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three, and one, two. Hold. Then out. Yes. Okay. So that's all for today. So we will continue next week. So we will have some rhythm exercise. Next week is our eighth week, and we will start studying a simple piece. Okay, so I will just show you the piece next meeting. Thank you very much, and good evening.